Hey guys, I'm Laksh and this is the Analysis Girl. Send messages to people without saving their contacts on your mobile phone. For that, type the link as shown. Then 91 is the country code followed by the number to which you want to send the message. Send the message, then a link is produced, tap on it. Then you can text the person without saving the contact on your mobile phone. Definitely try it. Schedule the chat time on WhatsApp using the Skedit scheduling application. Go to your Play Store, search Skedit. You can find it at first itself. Install it. For me, I am just opening it. Click Create Account. Create an account by giving the name, email and password. Then, for verification, you can choose any service from the toolbar and complete your verification process. From Home, choose WhatsApp. Type the messages here. On top, you can add to whom all you want to send your message to. Select the date. Then choose the time. If you want to add images, audio or anything, you can just pin it with the message. If you have a picture, customize it quite a bit. Go to your WhatsApp chat, tap pin icon, choose gallery and select a picture of your choice from your galleries. I am selecting this and crop and adjust the size of it as I want it. Here I'm gonna give this a radiant filter, see? You can add stickers, emojis or whatever you want. Here I'm adding it and placing it on the face of this elephant. You can also add more of them. I'm giving a speech bubble angling to the mouth of this. I'm gonna write the text. You can also change the color at the side. Then share it with your friends. Change the font types of your messages by enclosing them in between two symbols. For writing your messages in bold, you can enclose the text in between two asterisk symbols. And for tilting the message, enclose them between two underscore symbol. And for striking off the text you have written, you can write the text in between two tilt symbol. Definitely try it out. Upload video in solid color without using any editing applications. For that, tap on the camera icon, select the video you prefer to send, tap the pencil icon on the top right corner and choose the color you want. Long tap on the screen so that the video is not seen and share it with your friends as your WhatsApp status. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.